Um, yeah. The weather here in Titusville, Florida is very nice today. It's sunny with a nice breeze. Um, a few clouds in sight, but very airy and aromatic, and it's like beach weather. I wish I could go to the beach. But the Brevard County Sheriff's Office stopped that for me. Thank you guys so much. Um, it's the opposite day. um, I sound like Woody the Woodpecker. Oh my God. Let me drink my water and behave. Amen. I hope y'all have a good day. I'm already having a blast. Getting lots of channeling. To God be the glory. Yeah. Yeah, it's real groovy. It's real groovy over here. If I could just go to the beach and get on the surfboard and make it even groovier, bruh. What?